In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Bluehost in just 5 minutes. Whether you're doing this as a regular security measure or because you've forgotten your old password, changing your password regularly is a great way to keep your account secure. So let's dive right in and get your password updated quickly and efficiently. Firstly, navigate to the Bluehost website. You can find it by searching for Bluehost in your preferred search engine or by typing www.bluehost.com directly into your browser's address bar. The homepage of Bluehost is your starting point. Here you will find the Login button prominently displayed. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. This step is the gateway to accessing your Bluehost account, where you will eventually change your password. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields asking for your login details. Here you need to enter the email address or domain name associated with your Bluehost account and the current password you wish to change. Make sure the information is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After filling in your details, click the login button. This action will take you directly into your Bluehost account, provided the credentials you've entered are correct. If you have any trouble logging in, double check the details you've provided or consider resetting your password using the Forgot Password feature. Upon successfully logging in, navigate to the Bluehost home by clicking on Home or simply landing on the dashboard after logging in. This is where you'll find access to all the settings and features related to your Bluehost account. Then look for the option named My Profile, or an icon that might represent profile settings on the home page or dashboard of your Bluehost account. Clicking on My Profile will take you to a section where you can view and edit various details about your account. In the My Profile section, you need to find the Login Credentials option. This part of your account contains all the information related to accessing your Bluehost account, including the option to change your password. Once you've located Login Credentials, look for the Password Change function or link. It's usually clearly marked, but if you're having trouble finding it, look for keywords related to account security or password management within the same section. Click on Password Change to initiate the process of updating your password. At this point, you'll likely be prompted to enter your new desired password. When creating a new password, it's essential to choose something secure and unique. Avoid simple patterns or commonly used phrases. Instead, opt for a combination of letters, numbers, and special symbols to create a robust password. After entering your new password, you might be asked to re-enter it for confirmation or to input your current password to authorize the change. After following these steps and successfully updating your password, make sure to log out and log back in with your new password to ensure the change has been applied effectively. Remember, maintaining the security of your Bluehost account is crucial. Changing your password regularly, especially if you suspect it has been compromised, is a smart way to protect your account. Also, always ensure that your new password is something you can remember, but hard for others to guess. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to change your password on Bluehost. We hope this guide has made the process straightforward and stress-free. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides to manage your Bluehost account and other tech-related advice. Don't forget to practice good security habits, and happy hosting with Bluehost.